In this video, I'm going to show you how to access database on Emergent AI website builder. Now, if you want to check out Emergent AI for yourself, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can check it from there. So to actually access your database, you want to go and open up your project, and the project first must be deployed, okay? So if you want to know how to deploy it, I have a separate video on that, and you can go watch it. And then when you are inside your project here, you want to click on the top right where it says redeploy over here, and it's going to basically show you the manage deployments tab, and then within here you can see a database here. So to access your database, you want to click on here, and then first you have to click on go to database, and there's like a notification saying that you will need your app name and Mango URL to access your database, okay, or Mongo, whatever it's called. So here you then want to go to inside your database manager. First you have to copy your app name, so here it says copy app name. It's going to copy it. You can paste it in here, there we go. And then you also have to go ahead and copy your Mongo URL, so just click on that as well. And then from here, of course, you want to simply paste that into, and as you can see, it says wake it up first. If the agent is asleep, then you'll have to wake it up, and then of course you'll be able to connect. So as you can see right now, mine is still waking up, and whenever that happens, there we go, as you can see it's woken up, you'll be able to essentially click on access database securely. You'll have to wait for a few seconds for this to connect, and then you'll be able to access your database from there within just a few seconds. There we go. As you can see, this is now my database. It's loaded in here, and I can just go ahead and refresh up top, and it's going to basically refresh and then sync in my database. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.